Hey guys, my name's Tony, and today we're talking about our stainless steel water pump. So what is potable water? Potable water is safe for human consumption, and that's what this pump does. This pump has a unique construction. It has a keyed shaft with a stainless steel shaft, a stainless steel impeller, stainless steel volute. This stainless pump can put out up to 700 gallons a minute and up to 50 psi of pressure. When you purchase one of these pumps from us, it comes with the NSF certification, the National Science Foundation, that certifies that it is a potable pump and you can use it for potable applications. To learn more about this pump, visit us at accesstruckparts.com or call one of our sales associates at 602-437-6948.